everyone. Today we're talking about being gray and glamorous. And these are my 5 tips that will make you love your gray hair. If you're tired of chasing away gray hairs and feel as though you have spent way too much time and money and effort on maintaining the same hair color over the past several years, you are not alone. You are in the right place. I am proud of my gray hair, and you can be too. This video gives you 5 tips for loving that gray hair. I'm Diane, and I focus on retirement life, retirement lifestyles, and the challenges we face. Join me for weekly tutorials and tips to overcome retirement. We're getting right into it today. Tip number 1, start now. But first, let's get this straight. Gray hair does not mean granny. It's a phenomenon among young women that started in 2020 where gray hair or granny hair is a new trend. The young women started coloring their hair to different shades of gray. Salt and pepper remains as one of the biggest trends in hair care and hair color. While going gray used to be something men and women tried to avoid at all costs, gray hair has become a more socially acceptable hair color. From an all-over silver to an eye-catching gray highlights. There is still time to start the transition and rock your gray look. Before we get into my next tip, in this video, I have a short clip of me driving in my golf cart. Enjoying my gray hair. So much fun. Tip number 2, find your confidence in a cut and style. Don't let anyone tell you, including your hairdresser, that your gray hair needs to be short. I did cut it very short, temporarily, to take the regrowth, because I could no longer take the skunk stripe, so I did cut it very, very short once. Now, I love my hair. It has always been a medium length to a long length, and I love it. I have some layers to bring out my curls, and I get tons of compliments on my haircut, my style, and my natural color. And you can too. My tip number 3 is you may need to change your wardrobe. Natural gray is a cool color. You may find that some of your wardrobe will need to be swapped out for more flattering colors to match your gray hair. It happened to me. I did change some of the colors in my wardrobe. For me, the colors of purple and turquoise are the colors that I find people compliment me on most. So find colors that are vibrant and make you feel good. I found that the neutral tones like beige just make me look like life has gone out of my face. Very washed out. If you can't change your wardrobe, try a colorful scarf instead. Tip number 4, keep your hair healthy. To keep gray hair healthy, use gentle clarifying shampoos and avoid sulfates, which are especially drying for gray and curly hair. And don't use heat for styling. Gray hair already struggles to keep in moisture, and adding heat and sulfites to your hair will only dry your hair out even more and make it look wiry. Avoid drying your hair out as much as possible with blow dryers and curling irons and things like that. And look for a hydrating ingredient in your shampoos and conditioners like argan oil and shea butter or glycerin. All right, tip number 5, try a diet enriched in biotin or a supplement. Biotin is one of the best known vitamins that contributes to hair growth. It can be found in a lot of foods such as whole grains and leafy vegetables and fish and eggs and nuts and more. of which I eat a lot of. Along with my diet, I considered a vitamin as a supplement to keep my hair growth. First and foremost, consult your doctor regarding any supplements you're adding to your diet. I'm not a doctor, nor do I have a medical background. I do believe in preventive medicine, but that's just me. And this is just an FYI on what I am currently taking as a woman's multivitamin that contains biotin, along with my diet. Below is an affiliate link, and I would receive a small bonus if you choose to buy it. I am currently taking New Chapter, one daily, every woman's multivitamin as a dietary supplement. There's so many other vitamins and minerals in it that biotin is just one, so I use it for a lot of reasons. It costs about $50 for slightly under 100 count. I don't currently have a hair loss problem. However, I feel between my diet and this supplement, I might be staying ahead of the potential hair loss concern for as long as possible. I don't know. So here are my 5 tips again. 1, start now. 2, find your confidence in a cut and style. 3, take a look at your wardrobe. It may need a change. 4, keep your hair healthy. 5, try a diet enriched in biotin or a supplement. Overall, would I change my decision? Am I going to go back to coloring my hair? No. But this all brings me to my biggest concern regarding my gray hair. You see, I would prefer gray hair to hair loss. And once I realized this, I made the change to be more natural, to be gray, and to be glamorous. And I hope you will too. Join me for weekly tutorials, strategies, and tips to overcome retirement challenges on the golden road ahead. Don't miss out on how to live your best retirement life. Subscribe now and never miss a tip. My next video is coming out soon, so let's enjoy retired life together, being gray and glamorous. Thanks so much. Bye for now. We'll see you soon.